Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix GTA San Andreas crashing on your mobile device, whether it crashes on startup or during gameplay. Let's get you back to playing step by step. So first of all, make sure your device meets the game minimum requirement. GTA San Andreas need at least 2 GB of RAM and a decent processor. If your phone is low-end, reduce in-game graphic settings to minimum. And after that, you want to go ahead and close all other apps running in the background. GTA San Andreas is a heavy game and needs enough RAM, so freeing up memory can prevent random crashes. So after you do that, you want to go ahead and simply open up settings, and inside settings simply tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and inside iPhone storage search for GTA San Andreas and then tap on offload app. Then tap on offload app again. Doing this will help you to free up the storage used by this app and will also help you to clear the cache. So once you've done that, you want to go ahead and simply head back to your home screen and check if the issue is fixed or not. But if it still crashes, try uninstalling and reinstalling again. Go ahead and long press onto it, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and then tap on delete again. Before you do that, make sure to back up your saved files if needed. And after you have deleted it, visit the App Store again and then search for it and reinstall the app. Also, don't use cheat codes or modes. Using cheat codes or third-party modes can often cause the game to crash. Stick to the clean version if you want stability. Also, inside the game settings, lower visual effects, set shadow to off and reduce draw distance. This helps on older or slower devices. And that's how you fix GTA San Andreas crashing on your phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.